If you decide to buy the Timberland knockoff, I don't recommend it. If you do, however, you need to take this and turn it around into this position right here. Otherwise, what you'll find is that whenever you extend this out all the way to compensate for the other tooth blade, that it'll come out to the fullest extent of the screw and still barely fit, and then this will come off. So I don't recommend buying this one, but this just comes off. But if you turn this piece around, I think they call it a dog or something, whatever they call that thing. It comes with this point on this side. So just undo that screw, flip it around, and make it in this position, and then it should work.